Hello. Namaste. A very good evening to one and all. A delightful evening to everyone present here. On behalf of all, we deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us this evening and making us feel proud and more than about your love for us. On behalf of the whole team of Shabra Kapoor Day School, we wish to thank our chief guest, Mr. Sumitra Manwal, Mr. Sagar, guest of honor, Dr. Kunal Das, Mr. and Mrs. Sangeeta Dugal. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for being with us and for your valuable message. All has kindly consented to be the guest of honor our annual day, and also really happy to welcome and thanks to all distinguished guests and parents who also consented amidst their tight and busy schedule to share every moment of this wonderful function with us. And also thanks to our teaching and non-teaching staff. In today's celebrations, our main heroes are our students. So welcoming and thanks them and their parents too, along with other ladies and gentlemen. The journey with the students so far has been very exciting, and our all staff puts its best efforts to find out the hidden qualities of each and every child. It is very important to boost up the confidence level of the students that at present main common issues such as stage fear, lack of confidence, respect to elders, sanskar, not mixing with others, command on languages, etc. It is totally eradicated from early age. Our staff of Shabra Katulya being qualified, trained as per Shabra pattern, as they are on the regular training at different places and online training as per time schedule, which you can see in today's education area. They are very sincere and always determined to handle the children with utmost love and affection and make the children feel at home, so that they are comfortable in interacting with the teachers. Teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. A teacher's purpose is not to create students in its own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. We extend our sincere thanks to the school principal for awakening the desires and wonderful of young generations and sharpening the education agenda. For being catalysis genuinely cares and refining the gifts and talent the young ones. Dear ma'am, your actions inspire others and possibilities and help us to reach next level of achievement. Thank you for designing build future of learners. With grateful hearts, we recollect the valuable surrender by the school staff. Thank you, dear teachers, for being actively present of this celebration and kindly help to all the kids. We are extremely thankful to all our dignitaries, special invitees, friends and well-wishers for your silent protest and the sense of appreciation. Shabra Katulya School has proved its standard over the years as a reliable source of inspiration. It has been soaring high and touching lives, and credit goes to your dear all parents. Thanks for being the key players in our success story. Last year we had promised that we will be going to upgrade this education in this growing area. Now it's my immense pleasure to announce to all that all the process has been done successfully, like audits, Shabra soil change agreement, approval from education department, safety features standardization, and all these processes being done. And we are committed to implement all these education pattern in our area. Further upgradation also in our time consideration. We at Shabra realize that our most important objective is to prepare each and every student to face any challenges. In this respect, in case of parents transferred from one location to another location, our Shabra is always performing well during written tests or any interview. And as per our record, Our students have taken admission in reputed schools to test and training at different locations, that is Gurgaon, Delhi, Noida, Odisha, Punjab, and of course in Dehradun. Finally, we thank the glowing work of Chandra Katulya School for their performances through various programs on the stage. You are the center of various programs on the stage. You are the center focus of not only today's program, but every moment of your stay in this temple of learning. So, without taking further much time, let us conclude this beautiful evening with you all. I hope you all enjoyed this evening with our little angels as they are influenced with their magic by displayed their talent and confidence in front of you all. Gratitude, not nothing, but it is a big investment for future. Once again, we renew our gratitude and spread the fragrance of love. The essence of the food is always tasted at the last, and we believe last will be the best ever. Once again, I thank you all from bottom of my heart. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.